Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Display Ads, full guide step by step clearly. To fix Google Display Ads, start by accessing your Google Ads account. Navigate to the campaign section where your display ads are located. Select the specific display campaign you want to troubleshoot. Review the campaign status to ensure it is active. Check if all ad groups within the campaign are active as well. Examine the targeting settings to confirm they align with your objectives. Adjust any geographical targeting options if necessary. Ensure your audience targeting is set correctly to reach your intended audience. Inspect the ad formats being used, as issues may arise from unsupported formats. Go through your ad copy and visuals to ensure they comply with Google's ad policies. Test different headlines and images to see what resonates better with your audience. Analyze the performance metrics such as CTR, conversions, and impressions. Identify any trends or patterns that indicate underperformance. If ads are disapproved, check the notifications for specifics on the violation. Make the necessary edits to your ads based on feedback from Google. Consider using the ad preview tool to see how your ads appear across different placements. Revisit your bidding strategy to ensure it is competitive for your niche. Evaluate your budget and adjust if you're not getting enough impressions. Review any placement exclusions you may have applied, which could limit visibility. Make sure your website is optimized for landing pages to enhance user experience. Implement tracking parameters to monitor engagement and conversions more effectively. After adjustments, give your ads some time to gather data. Regularly revisit your Google Ads account to monitor ongoing performance. Iterate on your ads by making incremental changes based on data insights. Stay updated with Google Ads policies to avoid future disapprovals. Keep an eye on industry trends that could inform your ad strategies. Adjust your approach based on seasonal dynamics or market changes. With these steps, you should be able to effectively fix and optimize your Google Display Ads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.